Hi everyone. If you're new to the world of crypto and looking to deposit funds into your Binance account from your bank account, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the easiest methods step by step. First things first, log into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the top right of the screen and click on the wallet option. In the drop-down menu, select Deposit. Now, you'll be taken to a new page where you need to choose your deposit method. For a bank deposit, select Bank Deposit from the options available. Here, you'll see a list of fiat currencies. Simply choose the one you want to deposit. Next, you'll be presented with several bank transfer options. Pick the one that's most convenient for you. Make sure to read any specific instructions or requirements for that method. All right, time to enter the amount. Carefully type in the amount you wish to deposit. Double-check the details before proceeding. Once everything is set, go ahead and confirm the transaction. Depending on your bank, it might take a few minutes to a couple of days for the funds to appear in your Binance account. And there you have it. Depositing money into Binance from your bank account is that simple. Remember to always keep your account secure and double-check all the details to avoid any hiccups. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more crypto tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.